people, good morning, welcome to a new video. Hope you're excited. Yeah, anyway, today it's Thursday the 7th of January, and today is a special day because it's my mom's birthday. So tonight I'm gonna go to my parents' place, and actually I'm gonna stay there for like 4 days, maybe more, we'll see, because I have some like appointments and everything, and I want to see some of my friends. So yeah, today we're gonna move. Anyway, yeah, I'm working at the moment for my job, and I kind of have to get ready because I woke up pretty late, and then I was working, and yeah, I should do something, right? So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take a break like of 10 minutes and get ready, and then I'll go back to work, and then we will make lunch together, and hopefully it's not gonna turn out as the previous recipe in yesterday's vlog, well, or the day before. If you're wondering, the electricity, everything is fine now, but wasn't fine at the moment. Actually, in the vlog I wasn't sure if it was a really bad thing or not, so I didn't say anything, but actually it was a really bad thing because the flat could have been on fire, guys. So yeah, but anyway, we were lucky, everything went fine. But the lesson is make sure your electricity is really good and everything is fine on it, because something can happen really fast, guys. So yeah, if you're wondering, this is how it looked like inside and everything. So it was really burned. So yeah, anyway, gonna get ready and gonna continue to work, and I'll see you later on.
I mean, you know I ain't lying. You lie, hey, wasting time. You said soon we'll be leaving this place. How you been looking hella fine? I was still making up my mind. I put them words in the open and they oxidize to fall and gold and heavy in the middle of the room. You were pouring over them and I was pouring over you. Yeah. Snapped by the glinting of those open glossy eyes, trying to decide if it's clarity or a reflection with a careful tension. When embarrassing affection, we can't get any closer without touching. I said I can't put my hand there without going through it, without explode the going through it. And they say the day you die when you meet your match, so you probably hope that I cut you some slack, and that wouldn't be too bad if I didn't have to eat. But if the cat sleep in the shower, maybe in an hour. So now I know the difference. Now I know the difference between a prayer and a preference, between desire and a deference, cause I always leave with love, a new pouch in my pocket. It's a sweet, slow dripping in my vice grip. It's all gone by the morning, you know you man always want more in the morning. You're hey, my good God, yeah, you feel so smooth when you come through. I see you on the next page in the wreckage of the family flames, handing out the blankets to the family's brain. Baby, I'm a young lover down on my luck, undercover as a stick in the mud. I'm a fixer-upper, and if you're a nip-tucker, well, I can be your partner, man. I can be your partner like Jan and Chris Tucker without touching. No, I can't do it without touching if there's asking too much. raconte une petite histoire.
Hey guys, so I arrived at my parents' place around like 7:30 or something like that, just before the beginning of the curfew, which is at 8 in France at the moment. And sorry, I'm out of breath. Anyway, I just enjoyed dinner in the evening with my parents and my sister for my mom's birthday. And now I'm finishing editing today's video, which is my January plan with me video, which is really cool, I think. So tell me what you think about it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I wanted to film a bit like of the traveling in the metro and everything, but since August, when I've been robbed in the metro, if you want to know what happened, there is a video about it, so you should go check it out. But yeah, I'm having a lot of like anxiety taking public transport. So when I take public transport, especially by myself, I'm like so stressed that I just like didn't think about like filming everything. And you know, hope you enjoyed today's video, which was a cooking video, most of it. But yeah, I love cooking, and I might film like a what I eat in a day or what I eat in a week video. I love watching them on YouTube, so I would love to do one. So tell me if you'd like to see that during the month of January. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna finish my editing and then go read and enjoy and relax. And I have the feeling this is Friday today, but no, it's Thursday. I have to work tomorrow. Anyway, see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.
Je vous raconte une petite histoire. Pourquoi j'aime les hommes? Vous demandez? J'ai aucune idée. C'est comme ça. Je les aime. En fait, je me suis posé cette question pendant longtemps. En fait, pour 3 ans, j'ai passé des heures chaque semaine avec quelqu'un qui m'a aidé à oublier ces questions. Enfin, ça marchait pas.